Guys, good morning ulit. So, ang ganap ngayon ay tara at tayo pick ng cherry today. Makulimlim guys at malamig. So, tara, para maranasan natin mag-pick ng cherry. I never been pick cherry in my life. So, tara samahan niyo ako guys. So, ito yung turbine na nagpo-produce ng electricity. So, ayan sila. Ang dami nila, no? Makikita mo sila sa sa farm. Ayan. Ito sila. 'Di ba, guys? Ang ganda-ganda nila. So, ito, on the way na kami doon. Medyo malayo-layo ng konti from our area. We're going to pick some cherry, guys. Look at the small apple. It's not ready yet. Oh, there's the cherry. Hey guys, this is a cherry. Cherry! Oh my goodness, look at the cherry. Oh wow. Cherry guys. Ayan. Look at the corn guys. Corn. We're going to pick cherry. It's a beautiful field. Hi guys, ito tingnan nyo. Mayroon kaming ladder. Ayan yung ladder. Tapos, aakyat ka dyan. Magpipik ka ng cherry. Ayan guys, so this is the cherry. Ayan, cherry. This is my first time to pick guys. Tikman muna natin bago natin pika. Sweet. Hi guys, ganito pala ang puno ng cherries. Ganito ang mag-pick ng cherries. Kailangan umakyat ka sa ladder at mamili. Ang sabi nila, bago akong nag-pick ng ang gusto ko sana wala yung niya, yung stem ba. Tapos sabi ng asawa ko, isali daw yung stem para mahaba daw at hindi mag-rot kaagad. So, ayun, doon ako natuto. I don't have a clue. So, I listen to my husband. So, ganito pala ang I never try in my life. This is my first time to do picking cherry. And also, this is my first time I see cherry trees. Ignorante talaga, no? But anyway guys, don't worry, I try extra careful to climb the tree so I'm not gonna fall. So not to worry, nag-enjoy ako guys sa pag-picking ng cherries. Pero ang sweet siyempre alam mo, while I'm picking cherry and I start eating. I try if the cherry is sweet or not. So I keep eating and I talked to someone, said, "Did you see our mouth is become red? So that means we're eating all the cherries. Instead we pick, we eat." So ayan guys, so enjoy sa pakikinood. Don't worry, I will try extra careful. Picking a cherry and not to fall in the ground. It's not bad. Hi guys, alam kong bakit ako naka-wear ng sweater. Medyo malamig ng konti. Prepare talaga ako kasi alam mo naman, I'm getting old, not too young anymore. So it's easy to feel like so cold. So ayan, kaya naka-sweater ako. Sabi nila, saan daw ang punta ko? winter coat ako. Hi guys, a little bit windy. Ayan. And cold. Guys, ang saya-saya mag-pick ng cherry. Especially kung fresh sila, diba? So, ayan, ang experience ko, guys. Thanks for watching. Ang sabi nila guys, kung para matagal ang ano ng cherry, kunin mo daw dito banda kasama to. Ito, ayan yung cherry guys, fresh cherry. Ayan guys, ang hangin. Ayan yung mga cherry, ang lalaki. Ayan, red na red, saka nakakatamis guys. Ay guys, ang dami-dami nating kababayan na nagpipik ng cherry. Ang saya-saya nila kasi family sila guys. So, ako, wala akong kasama kundi yung aking mister lang. So, ayan. Small pa lang guys yung cherry na to. Oh, this is the very small cherry. Ayan guys, ang daming cherry. Look at this. I think this is a small cherry.
Those are young.
Yeah, this is all young cherry guys. Young cherry. So, ayan na guys. So, ito lang yung na-pick na namin kasi mabigat na at saka madami. So, kami lang dalawa ng asawa kong kakain. So, hanggang so, ito guys, so ayan na yung cherry farm. Ayan yung mga tao. Ayan yung mga kababayan natin na nagpipik. Ang dami nila. So, ayan, na-post pa more. Siyempre, alam mo naman ako, mahilig mag-post pa more. So, ayan. So, ito yung last na cherry na dinaanan namin. Walang kumukuha kasi pumasok lahat ang mga tao doon sa loob. Kaya ito, punong-puno tong cherry tree na to. So, walang kumukuha. So, ayun. Bye-bye na. So, ayan na guys. Tapos na kami nag-pick ng cherry. Nung una, iilan lang ang kotse. Tapos nung tapos na kami, eto na lahat sila. Punong-puno na ang farm. Saka busy na guys. So, kaya mas maganda kung mag-pick ka ng mga ganito. Kailangan maaga ka para walang gaanong tao. So, ang dami-dami na nila kaya umalis na kami. So, ito, magbabayad na kami ng na-pick namin. Hindi namin pinuno yung bucket namin kasi hindi ko alam kung mauubos namin. So, ayan guys. Thanks for watching.